Connecticut State University. So we have two Central Blue Devils in this race, Noah Corner and Joey Ternullo. And we have another Central grad who is in the paddock waiting for the SK Modifieds tonight, Michael Jarvis.
Well, the field is ready, paired off in rows of two. 6 cars strong. They come back to the stripe. Chris Cabato gives them the double greens, and they are side by side to the bottom of turn 1. Noah Connor wasting no time at all. Hodgson on the outside, pulls it back into line as the 10 of Joey continues to reel him in. We've got a side-by-side battle for the 4th spot, Matt.
And trying to move on the inside is Brett Crowther, but he can't get underneath Stephen Chapman. So Stephen Chapman, the youngest driver in the field at 12 years old, is holding on to the number 4 position, and we have a battle up at the front between Noah Corner and Teddy Hodgson.
Good side-by-side battle right there as Crothier finally gets around Chapman as they start to settle in. Out in front, Noah Corner, car 31. Pulling away, Hodgson reeling him in. Lap after lap, trying to close up the gap. Meanwhile, Chapman's not giving up as he continues to position number 5.
Yes, Stephen Chapman looking pretty good on Monday night at Wild Thing Karts. He was second in his division to George Bissett Jr. Things are starting to tighten up perhaps a little at the front as Noah Corner is starting to feel the heartbeat of Ted Hodgson in car number 28. Not too long ago, Teddy finished his freshman year at Danbury High School. A lot of Danbury High orange and blue on that number 28 car.
Certainly is, and they continue to come up on lap traffic. Here comes our leader, Noah Connor, going by the number 44 of Andrew Quayle. Teddy Hodgson makes it on by as well. Half of the event is all but history. 10 circuits to go, and 1 car has dominated for the first 10. That is car number 31 for Noah Connor from Canton, Connecticut. Will he be able to hold on to the final laps of this first feature event of the night?
Yeah, the loudest fiddle in the band is a 31 in Noah Corner, but trying to do something about it is Teddy Hodgson, as he is trailing by about the length of a birthday candle to the 31. So Hodgson is not surrendering, and then we have a big gap between he and Joey Ternullo in car number 10. Joey Ternullo is also a gardener, so he spends time in the garden when he is not working on the racetrack. But right now, doing the most work is Noah Corner.
Well, Teddy Hodgson is reeled in on the back of Corner as he tries to close it up ever so slightly. The clock is ticking, 13 laps up on the board, 7 circuits remaining. Car 31 still in command, but look at Hodgson, reels him in. The neon orange and white machines closing up the gap ever so slightly, Matt. There's 5 circuits to go when they come back to the line.
He is trailing by about the length of a toothpick. So Teddy Hodgson is not surrendering. They stampede their way off the corner. They'll have 5 laps to go. It has been a joyride so far for Noah Corner, but Ted Hodgson wants to change that as they scoot into the 3rd corner.
He continues to tighten it up, but he is not close enough to put on that challenge. 16 laps up on the board, as once again, 2 cars have their own little mini battle at the front of the field, and now Noah Corner slips up just a bit, and that works to the advantage of Teddy Hodgson. Hodgson is closing up the gap back as they come back to the stripe.
Remember, all Teddy Hodgson has to do is lead for 1 lap, and he could have a win. So there is still time for Hodgson, but the dominant factor has been Noah Corner, one of the top young drivers in the country in the Legends. 2 laps separate him from a victory.
And you can see the heat is on. Hodgson is about to try anything he can to make the move that would give him the number 1 spot. Noah Connor has driven a flawless race, hitting his marks every time by. White flag is out, but no one is surrendering. Will lap traffic be the story in this one? Noah Corner down the back straightaway. Teddy Hodgson, final 2 turns, Matt, as they head off turn number 4. Hodgson has reeled him in.
And here comes Corner. He holds off Hodgson to get the victory. In second is Teddy Hodgson. And now here comes Joey Walnuts as he will finish 3rd, followed by